Hi, hello. Today I want to tell you about how to properly use because. You know because you've learned that word a long time ago. However, some of my students sometimes have trouble using it the right way. I'm talking about writing here. Okay, this is a writing tip. However, sometimes you have learned because in a conversation. That's the most common way to use it. Let's watch this. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm hot. Why? Because it's summer. Yeah, that poor fellow is hot because it's summer. Let's read their dialogue, see? Okay? And let's keep that part. I'm hot because it's summer. In a dialogue, it's two sentences. I'm hot, period. The other person speaks. And then you say, the question is why? And you answer because it's summer. However, when you speak, you don't make full sentences usually. So I'm hot. Why? Because it's summer is totally normal conversation. However, when you write I'm hot, period, because it's summer, this is not okay. You cannot start a sentence with because. Most of the time, we will see at the end of the video, it's not always true. But your number one rule when you use because, it's in the middle of a sentence. Like this, no period, no comma. Just I'm hot because it's summer, period. And that's all. Okay, that's your number one rule in writing. That's very simple. You don't start a sentence with because, you put it in the middle of the sentence. That's all. That's the basic way to use because. Just don't write I'm hot, period, because it's summer. This is not okay. However, it is sometimes okay to start a sentence with because. When you say this, because it's summer, comma, I'm hot. You start explaining the reason, and then you tell the consequence, the statement. Once again, it's about writing only. You never say that. Nobody says that. It's possible to write it, but not in a regular text also. This is really for more literary, more nicer English, not regular, everyday English. The idea behind it is, remember, in English, when you have two ideas, 2 points, 2 statements, the first one is the most important one. So I'm hot, that's my statement. Extra information is because it's summer. On the opposite, because it's summer, comma, I'm hot, my important information is because it's summer. And then my extra information is the consequence, I'm hot. But once again, because it's summer, I'm hot is not regular, usual English. You will never say it, and you will write it only in some special situations. Regular, normal English should be this when you write I'm hot because it's summer. Once again, remember, this is about writing, okay, not speaking. When you speak, usually you don't make full sentences. Oh, I'm hot. Why? Because it's summer. Okay? Alright, that's all for today. I hope that was helpful. If you like it, please subscribe and like and do those sort of things. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.